Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create your own skill in Claude Cowork. So in this video I will show you how to create your own skill in Claude Cowork, because Claude Cowork actually ships a lot of building skills, for example for Word documents, for PowerPoint presentations, for PDFs. But if you need something custom, you can actually create it on your own. And in today's video I will show you how to do it. We will build a brand new skill from scratch. It will be a weekly status generator. I will show you everything that you need to do in order to make this skill work. So let's start the video. Let's move into the Cowork section. Inside of this Cowork section, how can we create a skill? First of all, we have to go into customize section right here. And you have two options. You can either press on skills right there, or you can press on create new skill right there. Either way is correct. It will redirect you to the same place, so you can just do it like this. And now, in order to create a skill, you have to click on this plus button, and you have to go into create skill section, and here you have three options: create with Claude, write skill instructions, and upload a skill. You can upload a skill if you actually have one. We don't have it. You can create it with Claude. I think it is a little bit more comfortable, but as I said, we will create it on manually in this video, so I will use the second option, so write skill instruction. And as I said, I will create a weekly status report in this video. So I will do something like this. So weekly status report. And now, this is a skill name. Here we have the description and the instruction. Description is basically a short text what the skill is doing. Instruction is the instruction to the model, actually what the model needs to do in order to make the skill work. And maybe we'll start with the instructions section. So we can start. We will do something like this. The skill should take messy bullet point notes. We'll make the space here from a work week and turn them into a clean professional status report. Now we will write what this report should contain. So report like this. And first of all, what was accomplished, maybe. What is in progress. Progress like this. Maybe the blockers. And maybe next, but also with the dash. Next week's priorities. Now we will specify how does the output should look like. So output should be formatted text. Of course you can write, for example, to save it into a file. It will also work, so it doesn't really matter in that case. I will do, so should be formatted text. I think the text will be enough. We don't need the file. I will just write ready to paste into email, and maybe that's enough. So output should be formatted text ready to paste into email. What we can also add, so description, I will just add converts messy weekly bullet point nodes into a clean structured status report with sections. You can actually add something more, but it doesn't really matter. And we can just press on create skill. We are waiting. And as you can see here, we have created skill weekly status report. And here we have this skill. Here you have the description. Here you have the name. And here you have the basically this is what I wrote in the place of description. You can change it to the markdown. You can leave it like this. This skill is, I would say, very simple, but this is how you can create it. You can actually edit that. You can edit it with Claude. You can replace it, download it, or try it in chat. I can press on try it in chat. You can do something like this. So, hi Claude, I just added the weekly status report skill. Can you make something amazing with it? But I will just show you how you can use it. So, let's maybe create something like this. We will create a 1 week. Basically, we will create something what we did in a week. So I will just print a Monday, maybe not print, but write. So finally fix the authentication, or maybe I will write it off camera. I mean, I will pause the video and I will go back to you when it will be finished, because I think it is not really interesting to wait when I will write this prompt. So I will pause the video and I will go back when every day from Monday to Friday will be written. So I'm back. As you can see, I have some points started with the bullet points, because this is how I wrote it in the skill. It doesn't really matter what does it contain. I made it a little bit more messier, because at the beginning I thought I will just write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and so on. I will just do something like this. And now what we need to do, we need to specify that you want to use this skill. So use the weekly status report skill to turn these nodes into a status report, and we can press enter. So we are waiting, we are working on it. First of all, we are running the skill. As you can see, we used our skill weekly status report, and this is basically how the output should look like. So first of all, we wrote in the skill what we accomplished. So we have accomplishment this week. Second of all, we wrote in the skill what is in progress. So we have this in the second step. We wrote the blockers, we have it here, and we wrote the next week priorities, and we have it here. So this is how does it look like. We have weekly status report May 11, 2026, and we have the skill used on the right that doesn't exist as a built-in skill, but actually exists if we create it, and we have it right there. So this is how you can create skills. Of course you can download it, of course you can do something more complicated. You can do a lot of things with it, but this is a simple video how to create a skill in Claude Cowork. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.